Hey, welcome back to Miss Baby. Let's explore. So guys, today we are diving into the away somewhere inside your computer. Yes, we are talking about hardware and software. You will wonder what actually inside that magical box on your desk. Or what makes your phone run like a teeny genius. Well, you are in the right place. Computer is a collection of electronics that work together to receive data, input, process data, process, and provide information output. It is organized under the control of a program storage in memory. Now I will explain the hardware first, or what is usually called hardware. What is called hardware? Because it's a component that can be touched and move. So hardware is a device that we can still touch. While inside the hardware itself, there is a structure that represents the flow of input, process, and output. The first is an input device, which functions as an entry point for data to be processed. Example of input device include a keyboard, mouse, scanner, joystick, digital camera, webcam, flash recording, and touch screen. Secondly, the processing device function to control all activity of the entry system on the computer. This is processing device is the CPU, which is usually called the brain of the computer. The next is a storage device, which is in the system to store data on information that comes into the input device. Now, apart from the main storage, there is also supporting storage, which is used to store data before processing it on the computer. For example, let's use hard disk DVD. This output device is a tool that functions to convey information resulting from a computer process to humans or forward to other computer processes. For example, monitor, screen, printer, speaker. After discussing hardware, this is time we will discussing software. Maybe you have often heard, of what software is like. So, this is software is a series of instructions to support the commands of the hardware. Nah, this is software is a system. So we can have this system is a divided into two. This is operating system software, and there is application system. Let's discuss the operating system first. We call it operating system, which function as record research. Let's discuss the operating system first. We call it operating system, which function as a resource management on a computer, then also processing data management, and then as a means of communication between computer user and the computer itself. There are several information systems that we know, like Windows, Linux. Then this kind of software is application software. Nah, this is might be more familiar. Some example of application software. Some example for application software on computer are Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office also consists of Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, Adobe Tissue, and so on. It turns out that beside hardware and software, you also have to know the term brainware, which is a term for computer user. Now, it means that beside hardware and software, we also have to know the term brainware, which is a term for computer user. Now you know. So the two elements are interconnected. Hardware will not work if there is no software, and vice versa. It cannot work if there is no brainware.